This is a frame that I'm getting ready to do with my 6th grade social studies students, and this is actually going to be the student copy. So I thought I'd take you through that and just sort of talk you through which parts I would be doing, which parts the kids would be doing independently, or in breakout rooms or what have you. So the first slide has their directions. So I have the actual thinking steps here. So they are focus on the topic, reveal the main ideas, analyze the details, make a so what statement, and extend learning. And obviously that spells frame. I do have it in Spanish here, and then over here I have just sort of an explanation of what they will be doing. So to get these translations, a really easy add-on is this slides translator. And basically once you install it, then you just pick your language over here and you just click on the box. You don't have to copy and paste anything. You hit translate and it'll give you the translation. And I have found that it is a little bit better and more accurate than just using Google Translate, which is what I used to do. So anyway, that's just an extra. Okay, so because I'm going to have them typing, I've actually taken up 2 slides with my frame. So this is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the part that we will do together. So I went ahead and filled it in so you can kind of see how it's worded, but we will come up with the key topic ourselves. So that is the focus on the topic, and that is actually these first 2 lines. So think about as this is your concept, and then this is the generalization about that concept. So then the next thing is revealing the main ideas. So for that, these are our main ideas, and I actually have them in very kid-friendly language and then in more scholarly language. So this is who rules and how they get their power. No one, one person, few, or all. Then we have our analyzing the details. So for analyzing the details, I have broken this down into 3 categories because I'm going to have them do some comparisons afterwards. So I want to make sure that the information that they're gathering is very targeted. I don't want to just say, oh, collect some information. I want them to look for what it is, advantages and disadvantages. And the way they're going to find that is if we were doing this face-to-face, these would be placards that they would have, and they could move around the room and do them. It could be station work. It could be a gallery walk. I'm going to probably do some type of digital gallery walk where they can go through and get this information. And since we live now in the world of copy-paste, I'm going to ask them to put these things in their own words so they can kind of simplify them and put them in kid-friendly language. And I do have these placards available in both languages for my students. So once they fill that in, then I went ahead and I put the key topic up here again and the is about statement. And I see that I have not written the complete one. But now we're going to do the significance together. So now that we know all this information about the different forms of government and how they get their power, this is where I'm going to ask them to start thinking about application to their lives right here, significance, what's important about this, why do we need to know it, and all of that good stuff. So that is my plan for this frame activity.